I've had a lovely restful time in Overlook. Didn't ride yesterday, but I've stuck my thumb in the tyre. Seems to be alright 36 hours later, but we'll see after some riding. So many Turkish residential roads are paved with these enormous cobbles. It's really slow going. So this is your option if you come through the towns, and then you've got the highway, or then you've got the dirt roads through the countryside. I don't know how long I can put up with this for. Yeah, finally. That whole process from ordering to it just being delivered can't have been more than 3 minutes. Amazing. I very nearly caved and got the cable car up to Bergama, but just considering a cable car made me feel old. So I'm sweating my way up instead. And I feel good. Time to head to my host's place. My deeds have been shared with a local cycling group page, so I've been fairly inundated with offers of hospitality lately. Lucky me. Merhaba.